This is a particle robot. Alone, it can't do much, just pulse out and back. But as a group, these little bots can move towards the light, carry items, even squeeze through gaps. And they can do those things without any plan or central coordination. The useful behaviour just emerges from the way the group interacts. This is called stochastic mechanics, and it's the basis of many biological systems. Think ant colonies or groups of cells. All these little robots can do is change the regularity of their pulses in response to light intensity. Add in some loosely coupling magnets around the edge, and together the robots can push and pull themselves along, albeit slowly. Very slowly. The researchers say there are some really distinct advantages to this approach. In theory, robots that work in this way could move through a whole host of environments, even places they've never been before. Since they don't need to assess, plan or strategize, they can be flexible and essentially just muddle through, adapting in real time. Also, like a cluster of cells, clusters of particle robots don't need to be organized in a particular structure or shape to work. They can just sort of move as an amorphous blob. The researchers modelled their robots to see what might happen if there were more, say 100 or 1,000 or 10,000, and they found their abilities scaled up along with the number of bots. What's more, they even disabled 1 in 5 of them, and the group prevailed. All this adds up to a robust system, something like you might find in biology. Researchers say that in the future you could put particle robots in any environment, mess up their order, even break a few, and the system would still work. Break a walking robot's leg, and it isn't going anywhere fast. Because the output of the system relies on complex interactions, not complex individuals, each individual robot could be made even more simple, while still achieving high-level tasks as a group. Add to that no central powerful computer to coordinate the whole affair, and the system seems a shoo-in for miniaturization. Imagine swarms of particle robot surgeons inside your body. But there's still work to do. The algorithms these particular bots use might be tricky to translate into much simpler or smaller robots. But it is a step, or rather a pulsing shuffle, in the right direction.